Welcome back to Product Critique. In today's video, we're going to take a closer look at the best Beetles Gel Polish Art Gel Aligner set. If you're looking for a versatile, high-quality nail art set that will take your designs to the next level, then this is definitely one to consider. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, this gel aligner set promises to make your nail art experience fun and easy, all while delivering stunning, salon-quality results from the comfort of your own home. The Beetles Gel Polish Art Gel Aligner set comes with 20 vibrant, highly pigmented colors, offering an incredible range of options for all kinds of designs. Included are reflective glitter gels, color gels, and glitter liner gels, making it a fantastic choice for creating unique, personalized nail art. From French nails to intricate designs like coffee nails or chocolate-glazed donut nails, this set has everything you need to let your creativity shine. One of the standout features of this set is the built-in thin brush that comes with each bottle. The brush is soft yet firm, making it perfect for painting fine lines and curves. The design of the bottle itself is also thoughtfully crafted to minimize drips and ensure smooth, controlled application. This means no more messes when you're creating those intricate designs. Plus, the gel polish is designed to be easy to use. Just wipe the brush to avoid large drops and start applying your desired colors. Another thing we love about this set is its premium quality. The gel polishes are made from high-performance ingredients that are safe and low odor, providing a comfortable experience while you work on your nails. All of the gels must be cured under a UV or LED lamp, ensuring a long-lasting finish that won't chip or peel easily. It's perfect for anyone who wants to save time and money by doing their nails at home but still wants the look of a professional manicure. To get started with this set, the process is fairly straightforward. First, prep your nails by trimming, filing, and buffing them for a clean surface. Then, apply a thin base coat and cure it under your UV or LED lamp. Next, you'll apply a thin layer of your favorite color gel, cure again, and then repeat until you get the coverage you want. Finish with a top coat, and after a final cure, you'll be left with glossy, durable nails that look fantastic. When it comes to removal, don't worry. You won't have to deal with any complicated processes. Just gently buff off the shine, soak a cotton pad with nail gel remover, and wrap it around your nails with aluminum foil. After around 15 minutes, the gel will be easy to remove, leaving your nails healthy and ready for the next design. If you're into nail art or simply want to experiment with new looks, this set is an absolute game changer. With its 20 colors, easy application process, and long-lasting results, the Beetles Gel Polish Art Gel Aligner set is one of the best investments you can make for your nail care routine. That wraps up today's review. Let us know in the comments if you've tried this product or if you're planning to get your hands on it. Make sure to subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews and updates on the latest products. See you next time.